really sure what skin prep is or why we do it, this is a great video for you. If you feel like you know what skin prep is, but you just want to get a breakdown of the steps and maybe some product recommendations, I'm going to link up a couple videos that I did, and depending on your skin type, you can pick the one that works for you. Skin prep is definitely one of the most important steps in terms of makeup, I think. As a professional, I would never put makeup to skin without assessing and properly prepping the skin. And there's a couple different reasons for it. Making sure your skin is properly prepped ensures that the makeup is going to go on as smooth as possible. It's also going to make sure that it just looks so much better. Products will go on smoother, easier, and just look the best that they can. The other aspect of it is that it's actually going to help your makeup to stay on much longer. So your makeup should ideally last 7 a.m. to 2 a.m. if necessary, with very minimal touching up. And that can be achieved by prepping the skin properly. If you don't prep the skin, sometimes, I'm sure all of us have been there, where you put your makeup on and you're like, oh, it feels like it looks like it's sitting on top of the skin. It feels like it's just sitting on top of the skin, and it kind of feels heavy. And a lot of the reason for that is because you're not properly prepping it, right? So you need to make sure that you have a nice hydrated, exfoliated canvas before you go ahead and put on all that makeup. Otherwise, you're just layering on top of old skin cells and like dirt and bacteria. So you really got to take the extra couple minutes to prep the skin. So that's why we do it. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Like I mentioned before at the beginning of the video, I did 2 videos, one for normal to dry and one for oily combination, to give you a step-by-step breakdown on how to properly prep the skin, as well as some product recommendations. So you can feel free to check those out. And then aside from that, I would just say, take the time to invest in your skincare. Take the time to learn about what works for your skin and be consistent. Take care of that skin, because the better skin you have, the better your makeup is gonna look. When you look at celebrity makeups and you see how beautiful it looks, I mean, you have to take into consideration that they are celebrities, right? They are taking really good care of their skin, they're eating really healthy, they're taking care of themselves from the inside out, and that shows on your skin. So make the investment, take the time. The more consistent you are, the better it will be and the better your makeup will look. So I hope that was helpful and clarified a few things. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to share or subscribe, I would love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.